Hello friend, my name is Asha. Today we will see about post correspondence problem. If you are BTech student or if you are MTech student and CA student, then you should to know about post correspondence problem. Overview for this topic. So first of all we will see definition and post correspondence problem. After then dominoes, title, PCP problems, and last one PCP problems in table form. So this is the definition of post correspondence problem. PCP is a popular undecidable problem that was introduced by Emil Leon Post in 1946. It is a simpler than halting problem, and this is a Emil Leon Post and little bit history. Post correspondence problem. An instance of post correspondence problem PCP consists of two lists of string over some alphabet summation. A is equal to W1, W2 and so on Wk, and B is equal to X1, X2 and so on Xk. The PCP has a solution if there is a sequence where Wi, Wi and so on Wk is equal to Xi, Xi and so on Xk. And next one, dominoes or title PCP problem. In this problem, question has given top and bottom form, and also we can say nominator and denominator form. So there are four blocks with different string in top and bottom. In this first block, we can see top has two string and bottom has one string. So this is not similar string. That's why we left this block and we'll go next block. We need to find the required set of dominoes such that top and bottom string are same. Next one block have one string in top and two string in bottom. So it is a similar string. That's the reason we select this block. We will put this block in here. In this block, top 1 and bottom 1 is eliminated and left it 2 string. So we choose those type of string. They have two strings similar in top. So we can see here. And we put this block in here. Left it 2 string eliminate with second block top string 2. For left it 1 bottom string we will find similar string block. And see this block, we will put this block in here. And this left it 1 string eliminate with this block top string. In this block left it 1 string we select again second block for eliminating. We can shift here. Previous bottom 1 string left it we can eliminate top string 1. And in this block left it 2 string we select this block and shift here. Again we back previous string 2 left it eliminating with last block top string 2 and left it 3 will be eliminated with bottom 3. Now we can see nominator and denominator both have a string are same, so it's called decidable problem.
PCP problem in table form. So X is top and Y is bottom. There are 3 strings AB, ABA, BAA, AA and ABA, BAA. So we will convert in domino form.
First block have a AB, ABA string. So we will mention in here top AB and bottom AB will eliminate and left A. So we will find those type of block they have top A. For lefted A we will select third block and mention here. Now lefted A in first block bottom we will eliminate with second upper block string, and lefted BA eliminate with bottom BA. And for A we again put third block. A will be eliminate with this A and BA will be eliminate bottom BA. For lefted A again we will put third block. So it will be repeat again and again. So in this problem string are not same and loop is increasing, so it is undecidable problem. Thank you. And if you have any question related to this topic, then please write in comment box. I will reply you, and please do like and subscribe my channel.